Greetings to all Rotarians, Rotaractors, and members of the family of Rotary. As I have watched the many ways you and all within the family of Rotary have connected the world with your actions and your compassion, I have never been more proud to be a Rotarian. The COVID-19 global pandemic is threatening our health, our safety, and our way of life. But while this crisis is serious, we know that this challenge is a temporary state. We will get through this by working together and taking care of each other, just what Rotary members do. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres said recently, and I quote, "COVID-19 is a health threat unlike any other in our lifetimes. But the spread of the virus will peak and our economies will recover. This is a time for prudence, not panic. Science, not stigma. Facts, not fear." Following the science leads us to some clear, simple actions. We need to do our part to flatten the curve of the COVID-19 spread. By now, we all know what that means. For Rotary clubs and districts, it means holding virtual meetings or postponing in-person meetings and gatherings until a time when the science says it is in our collective best interest to reconvene. Already, many district governors and other district leaders have canceled district conferences which they have been planning for months. As you have probably heard by now, following the science has led us to cancel the 2020 Rotary Convention in Honolulu. Like the more than 20,000 Rotarians and family members who plan to attend this year's event, I am very disappointed. I cannot thank the event organizers enough for the hard work that went into planning this event. But as RI President, I know that this is the decision that Rotary leaders needed to make to flatten the curve. Not only to protect the health and safety of convention attendees and those who call Honolulu home, but also all those with whom convention attendees would interact after our time in Hawaii. We are now exploring ways to share some of the great programming we had planned for the Honolulu Convention across the world in some sort of virtual event. I hope to have more to say about this soon. Our Rotary Action Plan calls on us to increase our ability to adapt. For clubs, that means finding new ways to connect and meet. We are looking to you for innovation and are eager to share your best ideas. Please take the time in these online meetings to determine how your club can help us through this crisis. While maintaining physical distance is now the norm, we cannot detach ourselves from the world. I encourage you to do everything you can to help your communities adapt to these difficult and unusual circumstances. Even in the midst of so much uncertainty, we have all seen examples of how people all over the world are safely stepping up to demonstrate service above self. These are challenging times, but Rotary has survived even worse times. We helped keep society together through 2 world wars, a Great Depression, and other catastrophes. And our commitment to disease prevention and treatment has helped mitigate situations like the one we are experiencing now. Let us not forget our commitment to eradicate polio. The vital infrastructure our effort created and continues to sustain is assisting countries around the world in their COVID-19 preparations and response. This is why we cannot step back from our support and commitment to Polio Plus. Together, we are united to stay safe, but also to help others to stay safe. Together, we are united to stay healthy, but also to help others to stay healthy. Together, we are united to stay connected, but also to help others to stay connected. Together, we share the Aloha spirit. Join me as we take action to lead communities both near and far as Rotary connects the world. Mahalo and thank you.